Hi, I'm Chris Burgess and I'm the team lead of the Project Management Office at Guernsey Electricity, and I've also been fortunate enough to be the project manager of the Princess Elizabeth Hospital project to deliver energy for the hospital for the next 50 years.
This is Guernsey's largest inland cable installation since the 1980s, forming the transmission backbone for the island to achieve many of its decarbonisation aspirations, in line with the States of Guernsey's electricity strategy. The project involved laying a 33,000 volt cable spanning 6.5 kilometres across the island, connecting two substations from the north of the island to the critical infrastructure of the Princess Elizabeth Hospital. With 20 megawatts of fully redundant power backed by 40 megawatts of transformers, each weighing 39 tonnes, this essential infrastructure will securely support the hospital's electricity needs now and well into the future.
Welcome to the switch room. This is the heart of the operation here. The switches you can see in front of you provide the energy to all of the different buildings in and around the hospital, and they feed other transformers and the Guernsey electricity network. In the event of a fault, the switches will actually cut off the power supply in 1,000th of a second, and that's obviously critical to maintaining the safety here at the site and providing energy in an appropriate way. These are the protection systems at the Princess Elizabeth Hospital, and they are the perfect blend of modern and old. The old stuff has been working for 100 years, and we're very conservative in the electricity industry, so we don't like to change it if it works. And the modern is to keep everything running smoothly and allow us to control it digitally.
Working closely with the PEH and other utilities, backup power capacity to the PEH has doubled, whilst also enhancing network resilience and capacity for the south of the island. This essential infrastructure has also enabled the installation of multiple EV chargers at the PEH.
These are the transformer control panels, the SCADA, load shedding and protection systems for the hospital. Each one of these panels controls the large 33 kV 11 transformers at the back of the site, or they provide an ability for us to switch in and out power as is needed. The hospital is obviously key critical national infrastructure, so we don't want to cut them off unless we absolutely have to, and therefore they are one of the last loads on the island to be shed. The complexity in one of these panels, I can show you if we just take a walk around. We have thousands of wires that are individually connected, monitoring different elements of the system. These basically provide data back to our control processes and the control centre at the power station, and allow us to automatically manage the system.
At a total cost of £12.9 million, this project was delivered ahead of time, 4 months early, and in fact under budget. By working closely with specialist UK and European contractors, significant cost savings were also achieved. However, it wasn't all smooth sailing. We faced increased costs and delays in the supply chain due to COVID-19 and the war in Ukraine.
The cables here provide power to the hospital and to the southeast of Guernsey, including most of St Martin's. The bulk supply point here is rated at 20 megawatts, and 10 megawatts of that capacity is actually being used to support the surrounding area, and 10 megawatts of that capacity has been provided to the hospital for their development.
Further challenges like Storm Ciarán impacted trenching works and delayed transportation for a month, whilst navigating complex logistics and securing whaleys across 52 land parcels added further hurdles. Despite this, the 33,000 volt superhighway is now fully energised and successfully supporting the PEH and the south of the island, making a significant milestone in the journey towards energy transition and future decarbonisation of the PEH site and surrounding areas.
The transformers are the head end of an electricity superhighway that runs at 33,000 volts, providing energy to the hospital compound. In summary, we have 33,000 volt transformers and an 11 kV switchboard. These will provide energy for the hospital for the next 50 years, along with our other renewable energy projects are supporting Guernsey Electricity and the island through the energy transition.
Visit our website to find out more about how we're investing in our island's future today.